Welcome to this Tech Alert Security channel, and we, of course, talk about the latest problems in security breach and problems with services that might have problems, security breaches on operating systems. But we also talk about things related to it, including today, we will talk about ethical hacking. What is ethical hacking? So, of course, the world is full of hackers. And who are hackers, actually? Hackers are people that are good with code, with understanding the code, and with finding what is wrong in code. Now, there's two types of hackers out there. There's the hackers that are the bad guys that we hear a lot, that will hack in order to steal money, to steal access to other, to get control of accounts and all sorts of things like that. And this is really the bad side of hacking, to simply steal and make money, actually hacking into people accounts and government accounts. There's a lot more government and company hackers than there are for regular folks, hacking into emails. Why? Because there's a lot more at stake, and at the end, probably a lot more money for hackers. But there's the second type, which is the ethical hacker. The ethical hacker is the guy that wants to find security flaws, wants to exploit those flaws to help. So he doesn't want to make money by exploiting it in a bad way. In general, he wants to make money. Some don't even want to make money. Some just want to help. And there's a lot of those, actually. They will find a security flaw. They will find a way to hack into a company. And they will just let the company know, by the way, I found that by doing this and that, well, you can actually hack into accounts. And of course, companies love that because they actually stay safe thanks to ethical hackers. And but there's ethical hackers that make a living. They actually, because a lot of companies will pay if you help in finding security flaws in their company, in their networks, in their operating system, in their software. And there's actually a lot of ethical hackers that make a living out of this. And they are making money in helping out so that we all stay safe. So ethical hackers are needed and are really the hackers you want to have in our community to help out and find the bad stuff that bad guys could exploit, but that will be fixed thanks to the fact that they will actually work and letting know the companies behind the software and the services that something is wrong and explain it to them so they can fix it. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.